Very greetings for the day, dear children. I hope you all are safe and fine. We'll start now with the video recording, that is the learning capsule, wherein you are going to revise all the chapters that we have done in these previous past weeks. What if it finishes? This chapter deals with more or less the resources we use, the resources we exploit, and the things which we waste unnecessarily. Some children are going to a school trip. And where are they going? They are going to Adalat Stepwell, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. They began counting the vehicles on the road. Apart from them, some of them counted, like some of the children counted bicycles, so they counted buses, some counted cars, and some counted motorcycles. That is the bike. Abraham, who was counting bicycles, soon got bored because there were hardly any bicycles on the highway. We have already discussed that people in Germany use bicycles for short distance, and they promote carpooling or sharing of the vehicles. Sharing as in, if it is not required, they don't take their four-wheelers outside to combat pollution. So all of a sudden, screech, this noise, the driver suddenly braked at the red light. It was a crossing and they could see that the traffic was all piled up. They were continuously honking. This honking leads to noise pollution. Dear children, in foreign countries, honking leads to penalty. Unnecessarily horn अगर push किया तो penalty put करते हैं, they charge penalty. Why do they charge penalty? Because it leads to noise pollution. A lot of the times, a very little boy in a rickshaw was coughing a lot. You see, the pollution, the noise pollution, and this pollution which is caused by the smoke emitted by the vehicles leads to unnecessarily diseases in the children as well as in the elderly. So what are the different kind of vehicles you see? All I see is the vehicles which are causing a lot of pollution. What do you think? They need petrol or diesel as fuel? So some vehicles need petrol, some vehicles need diesel, and cycles do not need either of them. Which of the vehicles do you think give off smoke? So wherever vehicles you think give out smoke, you are going to put a red marker on them. Like you can just mark these vehicles which give a lot of smoke. Moving on to the next slide. Which are the vehicles that run without petrol and diesel? So only cycle runs without petrol and diesel. What problems do we face from speeding vehicles? Dear children, there's also a speeding limit near schools because there are small children crossing the road. So they cannot speed in up their vehicles. But we see that some people do not follow the traffic rules. So when there's an unnecessary speeding, or when there's a lot of speeding, it causes accidents. How about you? Do you ride a bicycle? So if you ride a bicycle, you can say yes. How do you come to school? So you can say, like, how do you come to school? By bus, or you're a walking student, or you come in an auto rickshaw. How do your family members go to work from home? So whether they take rickshaw, bus, or their private vehicles. What problems can we have from smoke coming out of vehicles? So lung diseases, bronchitis, a lot of skin allergy, nausea, these are the diseases that people can have. What kind of problems can we face from noise of vehicles? It causes headache, the problem of migraine. It begins because of this unnecessary stress and noise pollution. On the petrol pump, after some time, Abba bus stop, and at a petrol pump there was a long queue. It seemed as if we would have a long wait. Do you know what, dear children? Most of the times हमारा journey होता है, like if you want to go to a picnic spot or something, journey तो सिर्फ like you know हम picnic spot में 1 या 2 hours ही रहेंगे maximum. बट हमारा ट्रैवलिंग में ही लाइक बैक एंड फोर्थ में ही 3 to 4 hours वेस्ट हो जाता है. एंड इफ दिस ट्रैफिक देन यू कांट इवन इमेजिन दैट यू वुड रीच ऑन टाइम. दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन a lot of people get late because of this unnecessary traffic. So as everyone was waiting in the queue to get some petrol, and they saw large boards. So what are those boards and posters? Let's have a look. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. So these are of course very old rates. Now we had already discussed the rates of 2020 when we had done this chapters. The petrol prices were reaching above 100. So dear children, the petrol prices are going high. Why are they going high? Because why are they increasing? Because a lot of people are using this, and if a lot of people are using it, it is obvious that it will go exhausted, यानी वो खत्म हो जाएगा. So इसके लिए few लोगों के लिए ही ये रख रहे हैं. उससे क्या होगा, लोग क्या करेंगे, लोग कार पूलिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, लोग शेयर करेंगे, like maybe they'll use public transports. So just to promote awareness and also to make it only available for the handful of people, because अगर पेट्रोल 30-40 rupees का होगा तो everyone will go. So if everyone will go, think of the traffic and think of the pollution. Although this is not the correct way, but then let's hope for a better way. Uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel? So the person who works in a petrol pump was asked a question by Abraham. Abraham was asking an uncle, the person who was working in the petrol pump. The person said, or the employee said, that deep under the ground. So another child asked, how does it get made there? So the employee narrated, it is formed naturally but very slowly. You can't speed up the process. It is a slow process. Then Abraham says, then we don't need to buy it. We can take it out ourselves using a borewell like we pump out water. Abraham is very smart. Abraham says, फिर हम खरीद क्यों रहे हैं, हम खुद ही उसको डिग करके निकाल लेंगे पेट्रोल. So the employee says, ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा. It is not just found anywhere. Only at few places in our country. फिर उसमें से big machines को pump करते हैं, उसको purify करते हैं and उसको transport करते हैं different containers में. And dear children, these fuels are highly flammable. Never ever carry them in your bottle or keep them in your car unattended. They are highly flammable. Which states of India have oil fields? So we have Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Assam. Besides oil, what else is found? So we find coal, gold, iron, copper, diamond, several minerals and so on. Now further the discussion was going on. They were discussing that is petrol going to finish? The poster said that petrol is not going to last forever. So uncle says that जितना जल्दी बनता नहीं है उतना ज़्यादा तो लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. That is the reason we are spreading awareness. Abraham says, how will vehicle run if the oil finishes? So Manju says there's something known as CNG. It gives less smoke. So uncle says that too comes from below the earth. It is also limited. So Divya says electricity can be used to run vehicles. Abraham says हमको तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा, otherwise हम कैसे travel करेंगे? So Divya says her grandmother would be very happy because she says the vehicles look like ants. What will you do when you grow up? So Manju says that only 1 or 2 people are sitting in these cars. Why doesn't everyone use a bus? Again, in foreign countries, it's a rule for certain distances, or there are some also companies who gave extra, you can say perquisites or extra rewards if you use public transport. The environment friendly companies in abroad, they do that a lot to save their environment and also to give rewards to their employees. Abraham says that will save petrol. One bus can carry many people. Manju says, when I grow up, I will invent a car that runs on sunlight. Then we won't have to worry about getting finished. Now you see, vehicles, not yet, but there are houses which runs on solar energy. बहुत सारे ऐसे, although they are very expensive to install. एक बार वो इंस्टॉल कर लिया तो वो सोलार प्लेट्स पे पूरा सन का हीट ट्रैप हो जाता है एंड देन दे ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इन सच अ वे कि हमारे घर के गैजेट्स चलने लगते हैं, लाइक टेलीविजन, वी कैन यूज सर्टेन डिवाइसेस. बट अगर वो वी नीड टू ensure that we are using it correctly, though it is very expensive, but solar energy is definitely worth using it. Treasure from the earth. So it's not easy to find all these fuel from below the earth. So scientists use a lot of machines. The oil is very smelly. There's a dark liquid. उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें मिक्स होती है, उसको फिल्टर करना पड़ता है, then उसे रिफाइन करना पड़ता है. तो what is a refinery? Refinery means this place, a place where all these things are segregated and purified. It is from this petroleum or oil that we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine, oil and fuel for aircrafts. Now aircraft का जो fuel होता है वो बहुत expensive होता है. Why? Because वो quickly distance travel करवाता है. And what is the slowest mode of transport? It is waterways. Do you know the LPG or the cooking gas, wax, coal tar, grease are also obtained from this? I started thinking about saving oil, then I remembered that Baba keeps the engine of the tractor on. इसके लिए बहुत सारे वीडियोस, एडवर्टीजमेंट भी आए हैं जहाँ पे children are giving awareness to their family members कि हमें ट्रैफिक के टाइम पे इंजन को ऑफ कर देना चाहिए, हमें एक्स्ट्रा पेट्रोल वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. सो इससे क्या होता है, वो उतना सेकेंड्स के लिए भी हम हमारा पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. And if everyone starts saving during traffic or during the whenever there's a short break or something, they do not take care of those little seconds, like 20 seconds, 40 seconds. And if everyone does that, you just think how much of petrol we will save. What else can vehicles run on? So vehicles can run on LPG, solar energy, batteries. What kind of problems will we face if the number of vehicles keep on increasing? तो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होगा, air pollution, noise pollution and accidents. Manju said, why doesn't everyone use a bus? क्यों लोग ट्रैवल नहीं करते बस से? Because they are overcrowded. Second, बस के लिए वेट करना पड़ता है. If it's our own car, हम कभी भी निकल सकते हैं. Suggest some ways to deal with the problems rising out of growing number of vehicles. So carpooling is one problem, but yes, now due to COVID, these things are stopped for quite a while. So carpooling is one very good solution to avoid traffic. What are the benefits if we switch off the engine? So we will save the fuel. Now find out and write, this is your homework. How much petrol can be filled in a scooter, in a car, in a tractor? You see the bikes like which is known as Bullet, Royal Enfield bikes. They use up a lot of fuel because they run very fast. Okay? So you can also give several models if you want. Now, in 2014, okay, now again old data, as compared to 2007, the rate of petrol went by how many rupees? So you just have to find out the difference in here and you have to give the answer.